Okay, so what we're going to demonstrate today is how to install what? Let's go first how to install the VMware on your specific operating system. So first let's go with Google and then search VMware installer. Now download VMware Workstation Pro, ASEAN. So here you could see it there. Now that we're here in our VMware website, download VMware Workstation Pro. You can download here. You could see that several versions. You have VMware 16 for Windows, and then for Linux if you're onto Windows and Linux. Now, for example, here in the Windows, all you have to do is click this one, and then it will lead you directly to the downloading web page. In this case, here she is. So it's already starting to download. It's already 1 minute left, and then afterwards you can see it here on your downloads. So there it's still unconfirmed. Well, right now I'm using a Linux, so I already have installed it here, but in your case you'll see it after it's finished. So we have 57 or 59 seconds more than there. Now our main topic is how to install a Linux operating system inside your physical computer, whatever the physical computer that you have that has different operating system, whether it's Windows or Mac or Linux. Well, this will work. So first let's go with Ubuntu. Yan. So there, your tracking settings, yeah. Now, right now we're going to download the latest version, which is the 2110 that has been released a few weeks ago. So you could go with the download or here right now, and then you'll see different version in the sense that we have a Ubuntu desktop, and then we also have Ubuntu server. That's the one that we're going to use later on for your server side, and for the desktop would be this one for the desktop side. So you also have Ubuntu for Cloud, IoT, and others. Okay, so what you're going to do is just simply download the iOS. Now there's a shortcut here. You just simply go with the VMware. I don't know. Wala pa sila nagawa there. I think so. Let's see. Yeah, but this one is different. I don't think so. So let's just go here, and then you could see there. So right now we're here on the ubuntu.com/download, where you could download your ISO file. Pwede mo na silang pagsabayin actually dito eh. Just click there. And then download. What you want is 2110, but you could also use the 20043 for the LTS. Either way, it'll work. Okay, let's try doing this one. So I should download right away there. See, pero sabi around 18 minutes left. Medyo matagal siya, pero kung mag-alala, edited naman tong video na to. At the same time, pagsabihin na rin natin, download na rin natin tong sa may server. Yan. They pass installation guys, blah 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 blah. Option 2, manual server installation, automated server. Instant Ubuntu VMs. No, they don't have instant Ubuntu VMs. Manual server installation. Instant Ubuntu VMs. They pass. Ba, may ganito sila ngayon dito. 20.04.03. Parang meron rin nata ako nito ha. Let's say the automated server provisioning. Oh. Let's go with here na lang. Download Ubuntu LTS. Thank you. Let's wait. Ayun. So already popped up here. This is for the server and this is for the desktop. So let's just wait. So ayun, natapos na yung sa may VMware workstation, full 16.2.0. So ito siya. So para sa mga Windows users, double click nyo lang to. And then next, dire-diretso na yun. And then pag na-install nyo siya, ganito ang itsura ng VMware natin. Ayan. So parang ganito siya. At first, wala kayong makikita nito. Parang nasa home lang, something like that. And then you can create virtual machines later on. I'll be teaching you how to do that. Once na natapos na natin i-download yung mga ISO files coming from the server of Ubuntu for desktop and both desktop and server. So this is the environment of your VMware workstation. This is the thing that we're going to use in your laboratory activities. So right now, we already finished downloading the two ISOs for your Ubuntu server. This is your server and then your desktop. So let's try installing one of them. So go to your one. Wait. Cancel na natin yan. And then go to your VMware workstation. Click here and then create virtual machine. And recommended, custom advanced. Okay. Next, browse natin kung saan yung ISO. Let's go to the downloads. Then you'll see it here. Ayan. Desktop. Okay. Open natin yan. And then, okay. Looks okay naman. Click next. Then, full name, password, confirm. Let's just try to create some simple password here for your login. You could still configure this later on. Name Ubuntu 64-bit. So once we're here, all you have to do is select kung saan siya magsasave the location. Go to browse. Then you want to paste it into your desktop and then create your own new folder here. VMware. Tama na. Then create. And then there, VMware 16-bit open. Ayan siya. And click next. We have split virtual disk into multiple files and then virtual disk in a single file. I would recommend you go with a single file kung limbawa hindi mo naman siya move, pero kung from time to time kailangan mo siyang i-backup, you go with the multiple files. 20 gig, pwede mo itong i-adjust kung gusto mo. Or fun. Don't worry, flexible naman siya, hindi naman siya automatically 30 gig ang kakainin niya sa hard drive mo. So kung limbawa ang space mo na lang is nasa 29, so mag-i-install pa rin siya. And then the next thing that you're going to do is just simply click next, split file, and then you could customize your hardware here, pero pwede ko na mag-finish to automatically go with installation. Pwede mong i-ayos yung processor, number of memories that you could use. Dito yung sinasabi natin mamaya, kakainin niya yung physical memory mo, magko-consume siya doon. So kung ang memory mo is around 16 gig, matitira na lang would be 12 gig. Dahil automatically papasok siya dyan. Makain ng memory and resources ang VMware. So I would recommend you to have enough memory and hard drive space. Okay? Although, pwede mo naman siyang i-adjust mamaya. Close mo lang. That looks okay for me. And then, automatically power on this machine. Okay. Then click finish. Then, okay na. So, ang naging problema ko dito a while ago kaya hindi siya nag-automatically nag-start up is because low yung disk space ko. I have to remove some of my disk space. Kanina ang available ko na lang is nasa 3 point something gig. Medyo puno na yung hard drive ko. I'm only running at around 250 gig SATA. Maybe I'll be considering upgrading my hardware or my hard drive later on. So, I've tried to free up to 15 gig and then okay naman na nag-on na siya. Nag-continue siya na siyang mag-install. So, ganito lang naman siya. Let's just wait. So there it is. Yan. It will take time to load. Now, pwede kang magsabay na magbukas. Medyo maingay yung kanya. Ayan. Updates and software, normal installation, okay. Download updates. Okay lang siguro to. Download update while installing Ubuntu. Kasi bago pa naman siya eh. Pero kapag luma na, nasa 20 version ka siguro, maraming updates yun. It will take time. So, kung gusto mo medyo mabilis, ito na lang muna. Muna i-install yan. Third party Wi-Fi hardware. Pero kung hindi ka naman nagmamadali, click mo na rin tong isa. Pero kung nagmamadali ka, i-uncheck mo tong dalawa. Okay. And then continue. So in this manner, para tayo nag-install talaga ng operating system sa barebone, sa actual computer. Yun ito din na magiging tsura kapag sa mismong computer mo siya ilalagay sa may physical computer mo. Kaya lang gagawa tayo dito ng startup disk kung gusto mo sa actual na physical computer tayo mag-install. So while this one is installing, let's go with Windows XP natin, Windows 8, and then let's try to start it up kung kaya niya na. You want to connect power connection, yes. So I'm trying to connect and open another virtual machine kasabay ng Ubuntu natin na installation. Hopefully kaya ng hardware natin. So antayin lang natin. Ayun, okay naman. There's the Windows 8. Tingnan natin dun sa may kabila. So kita nyo may konting lag na ako. Ito let's see with the settings. Pakita ko lang yung natin. I'm running on a memory of 16 gig already, i7 octa-core with an NVIDIA graphics GeForce. This is only here 240 gig. Medyo napupuno na yung ko ng konti. Yan. So ito naging bottleneck ko right now. Maybe I'll be considering getting a 500 or 1 tera SSD later. So yun nga pala, kapag medyo low ka ng disk space, itong mga ito hindi siya papasok para mag-install or mag-operate. Could not connect, it's okay, doesn't matter. Now let's go here with the Windows for a while. So in their Windows, subukan natin mag-install ng VMware. Tagal talaga, kumakain siya. Dalawa yung operating system kung sabay so hanapin lang natin yung shared folders ko dito kung nasaan ko nilagay yung installer ng VMware natin na workstation under the shared, and then there it is, the full version .exe file. All I have to do is double click it and then just wait. So yun, nag-respond na, and then this is the thing that's going to pop up when you install it or double click it. VMware Workstation Pro 16, and then you see here VMware is preparing for installation, in preparation for the graphical user GUI niya para mag-push through yung installation. So ganyan yung makikita ninyo. Pagpasensya nyo na medyo mabagal, it's because right now we're doing a simultaneous installation of an operating system of Ubuntu 21 here on my other VMware or virtual machine. So ayan, tayin lang natin to. Ayan. Just nag-respond naman, that's good. You may experience the same lag just like I'm experiencing right now, pero kung malakas naman yung computer mo, walang problema. Ngayon lang ako nag-experience ng lag is because dun sa may hard drive niya medyo kumakain na. So you see here, nagkaroon tayo ng konting error. It's because I need to free this space. Almost one couple of bytes actually nabitin pa. So, post ko lang muna saglit ng video and then I'll try to free some space, okay? Okay, so nagkaroon tayo ng error kanina a while ago. So, what we did is just simply deleted some files in our hard drive. I freed around 10 gig additional na dinilit ko na files to make some space, and let's go with continue, and then okay, copy na siya. Another one here, just click continue here. So this one is I'm installing a VMware workstation in a Windows, and then another one I'm installing Ubuntu in my VMware workstation. So pinagsabay ko na yung dalawang lecture. Now let's just wait, copying files, and then here. Okay, so we have here, after double clicking it, mag-install na tayo. Just click next, and then blah 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 blah, accept, next, then you wait. Silipin natin yung sa may Ubuntu natin if it works. It's working. Installing system na tayo. Kanina copying, ngayon installing na. So medyo matagal lang ito ng konti. And then here, enhance keyword, VMware station to the path. Next mo lang yan. Okay, join VMware works. Okay lang. Next natin, desktop and start menu, and then next. And then install. And then again, the waiting game. You have to wait here. So I'm trying to install here on Windows 8 a VMware workstation. This will also work onto your Windows 10 or 11. So ayun na siya. Then let's go over here. Kung sa installation niya, okay naman. Subukan natin maximize kung kaya. Medyo naglalag na ng konti, but still responding pa naman. Iwasan na lang natin i-maximize to para hindi kayo makain ng resource. Dito pinagsabay ko na silang dalawa para matipid sa editing mamaya yung lecture ninyo. Pero sa local machines ninyo, I would recommend isa-isa lang. Yung gagawin na dalawang operating system ang naka-up. So this is the reason why I'm recommending na lower versions muna tayo ng client server. We have an XPN 2000 or maybe R12 ng 2008. Pwede na rin yun. For one main reason is because of the resource. Pero halos parehas din naman yung features niya. Mas advanced lang dun sa isa. So nagde-demo lang tayo ngayon. Okay, so copying new files, and then this one again, we're going. So ayun. Tapos ang pag-aantay natin, we have fully installed the VMware. Could use with the license if you have a license. If none, you could just simply finish. This will be on a trial period of 30 days. Then pwede mo na lang i-input yung license mamaya kung meron ka mahanap with the crack. Madali lang naman maghanap ng license mamaya dun eh. Just search in the Google again. So click natin finish, and then there you have it. Just double click it. Then let's see if it's going to run. Sometimes it may require you to restart the operating system. So while waiting, let's see our Ubuntu, and then there you have it. So ito lang siya kasimple. The password that you're going to enter here is the one that we entered a while ago during the installation. Pumasok naman siya, and then there you have it. Okay na tayo. Okay. Skip mo na lang yan, then next, then you're done. Oh, may built-in na rin siyang pie charm dito. Zoom client, built-in na rin siya. Really? We always have OBS. Sigurado ba to? Built-in na itong mga to. Ah, gulat ako. Di pala. I-install ka pala dito. Kala ko naka-install na siya. Gulat naman ako kung package na siya. Then done. And then that's it. Okay? So meron ka ng VMware na virtual machine na Ubuntu. Check natin dito the license key. I'll try it here for the time being and then click finish and then finish. And there you have it. So this is the version for Windows. So ganito siya. So my computer, like that. So home and then create virtual machines. At na yung kanina na ginawa natin. So there you have it. Ganun lang po kadali. Mag-install ng mga operating system under your virtual machines.